and welcome back to the channel. Today we are unboxing our February ice cream beauty box. Now listen. Nobody is allowed to complain in the comment section that they are late. Okay, so one, we're going to talk about why they were late, and two, it's a little bit later getting up on my channel because today's Tuesday. I'm hoping to get this to you guys, I don't know, ASAP. It's later, but I didn't think it was that terribly late. Like, I got this on Saturday, so I'm a little late getting it up to you guys. But before we jump into today's video, of course, I want to say a big thank you to my YouTube members for helping to support the channel every single month. You guys are complete and utter rock stars. To those of you that are clicking the thanks button and tipping and donating to the channel, a huge hug and thank you to you guys. And for those of you that are returning and sharing my videos over on Facebook, that truly helps me so much. So real quick, let's talk. So I know some people will say it's later than usual, and yes, in fact, the Ice Cream Beauty Box, which is a monthly subscription, is running a little bit later than usual, and here's why. There was actually, with one of the brands in this box, there was actually a family emergency. So instead of Ice Cream Beauty Box like rushing this brand and saying, you know what, just forget it, we'll just deal with you next time, we'll put you in another box somewhere down the road, they were like, you know what, it's okay. Family first, take care of what you need, and we'll just delay shipment for a little bit. So I think that that's absolutely amazing. You guys know I love Ice Cream Beauty Box. I feel like they're just, that just exemplifies how wonderful they are when they do things like that. Like putting your family first above it all, I just think is kudos to you, okay? So like I said, this is a monthly subscription. I think it's like $24. They do give us a coupon code. It's not an affiliate code. It is Hotmess. That saves you, I think it's like 10% off your very first box. This is a very makeup heavy box. You are always going to receive a palette in this box every single month. Sorry if the lighting is wonky, guys. It's about to rain, storm, sleet, hail, I don't know, could even snow for all I know. We're in Kentucky. So we always do get a little card in here. The card gives us a little information about the theme, which February, love always wins, amen to that, and a little information of each item in here, retail value and everything. So let's go ahead and start off with the first thing I see here, and this is the, I smell something. Oh, it's the candle. This is my second video. It is. And this is the second video I've been sitting here filming. I just did a Temu haul, and I'm like, something smells so good. It was the candle the whole time. See, Martha's Candles rock. Okay, so this is a coral blush from Bo Babe Beauty. This does have a retail value. Blush and blush to go set. Oh, I didn't see that. Okay, so these have a retail value of $42, and there's two different shades. So you get like a really pretty vibrant pink and then a really pretty like orangey color. Let's open them up. I think we've gotten this brand in the past, but I want to say it was a highlighter, and it was a really nice highlighter too. I keep looking off, y'all, because my kitty cat is literally sitting on her perch. My Temu video that will come up probably later this week, I was telling you guys how she was pouting because I just learned I was giving her way too many of her treats than she's supposed to have. It's the freeze-dried chicken breast. She loves them. Well, I just assume like low carb, it's good to go. Like, no, apparently you have to be careful. Ooh, that is so pretty. You have to be careful. They need to be drinking a lot of water. Well, she kind of stopped drinking a lot of water. And I'm like, oh my gosh. So we're chilling out on her treat intake. She's not happy with me. She's kind of mad. So she was like really working it over there. She was just like, you know, and batting her lashes and everything. And I'm like, girl, I know how this works, okay? Calm down. So I haven't given in yet, but I did get her a toy. Look at this adorable toy from Temu. And that's so cute. It's a cat scratcher. I'm gonna spray some catnip on it. I got some like organic catnip spray. So I'm gonna put that on there. Ooh, this is pretty. Oh, it's, oh my gosh. Okay, let's try the other one. This one feels like a cream to powder or something. It feels like wet, where this one feels like your standard blush. Very beautiful though. Both very pigmented. This is so pretty. That is such a fun bubblegum color. I like that. How pretty is that? Look at the pigmentation. Holy guacamole. That is awesome. That's really nice. So you got your nice little travel size. You've got your nice bougie size. Very luxurious. Okay, before I get it all over myself, let me wipe it right back off, because you know your girl will. Next in here, we have the Estate Cosmetics Spacebound Highlighter Illuminator. This does say it has a retail value of $12. It's a buttery soft cream formula. And ooh, this is so pretty. That is really pretty. Look at that. It does say that it'll melt into your skin with a seamless glow that blends like a dream. I forgot to read about the blush, y'all. One full size, one travel size blush. Oh. All these feely good products. This feels like a wet, once again, like wet cream to powder. That's really pretty. That's stunning. I mean, highlighter, you can put that on your eyes. You can put that like my Fred. Like, ooh, that's really pretty. Oh, yes. I like that. I love the glow. Love the glow. Okay, that feels really good. It kind of reminds me of like a ColourPop Super Shock, like where it's kind of bouncy. Yeah, I like that. That's fun. And then the shades in Sonic, in case I forgot to tell you guys. Next in here, we have a product from Floss. This is the new favorite lip gloss. And this is in the shade, I guess, ATH. This is the opaque finish. I think I've gotten the lip gloss from them before. I think I've gotten this before. And I really like this. Yeah, I had this before and I really, really like it. It's a really nice, comfortable formula. And I always tell you guys, when I get this, it reminds me, like it throws me back kind of the taste, the smell, the consistency, the tube of this lip gloss that my mom used to have in her bag, in her makeup bag, and I would always sneak into her makeup when I was little. And everything about this reminds me of that lip gloss that my mom had. Hers was like a darker color, like burgundy-ish kind of color. Reminds me of that. I like this a lot. I really like the shade, to be honest. Okay, so this is in the shade ATH. It's a lip gloss by Floss Beauty. It has a retail value of $16. It's a gloss that's not glittery, not sticky, and not grimy. This gloss will take you with you everywhere, and it's hydrating, long-lasting, smooth, comfortable to wear. I agree. It's got a little bit of a tack, though. It's really nice. It's hydrating. I already love it. I already know I love it. Okay, moving on. Next in here, we've got by Charmacy, and this is a double-sided duochrome eyeliner that has a retail value of $12. I think we've gotten Charmacy before. This is so pretty. So it's a really nice purple, and then this side. Okay, so this side is like a felt tip liner, and then this is like your standard, ooh, I love that, gel creamy pencil liner that does have, in fact, the shift, which I don't think my camera is picking it up, but it definitely complements each other so well. I know, like I could, honestly, I almost feel like that would be really pretty on your lips. I wonder if you could put that on your lip. I really love that shift. It's like a red, gold, purpley, shifty shade. Really nice. And then last in here, oh my gosh, how cute. We got the Wicked Widow Love Sick palette. Like I told you guys, we always get a palette in here. How cute is that? Isn't that precious? So this has a retail value of $36, and it says the sister palette to Wicked Widow Beauty Graveyard. Oh, I like that. Okay, so sorry. Here's what it looks like, guys. The sister palette to Wicked Widow Beauty Graveyard Smash palette and their Tea Time palette. This brand new launch contains 4 duochrome, multi-chrome, and 4 mattes. The palette is magnetic, so the shades are interchangeable with the Wicked Widow Beauty Square Pan palettes. The shades are highly pigmented, blend like a dream. Okay, let's swatch. Oh, I really like this Come Back Home shade. It's like a muted. I like that. Ooh, this pink. shifty, shifty. Honestly, I love this color story. It's not like over the top. It's literally just perfect. I like, look at those. Do you, like, hello, gorgeous. Okay, let's swatch these others. I know swatches don't tell the story, but let me live my life, okay? Oh my gosh. All right, I will say this shade, let's see if we can get it. This shade right here, and I'll show you in the palette, was pressed different. But those are the swatches. Super, super pretty. Very, very pretty. But I'll show you in the palette. That one felt like, I mean, it performed beautifully as far as that swatch went. But just to feel it in the palette, it felt a little pressed harder, but it still did just fine. So there's the palette. I think that's a really pretty palette. One that I could definitely create a look and be comfortable in. So I love that. So thank you to Ice Cream Beauty Box for sending this box over my way. And like I said, if you feel like you're getting your Ice Cream Beauty Box just a little bit later than you typically do, don't worry. It's because there was a family emergency, like I said, with a brand, a company. I don't know which one, but either way, they still pulled it together. I think that they created or curated this box beautifully. I think everything, once again, is totally complimentary to each other, and overall, I think we have a really good variety of everything in this box. So kudos to you, Ice Cream Beauty Box. If you're interested in signing up for Ice Cream Beauty Box, I will have it listed down below. Like I said, code HOTMESS, not an affiliate link, will save you 10% off your first box. Let me know, are you picking up the box? Are you excited to create a really pretty look with this? I think it's so cute. So anyways, friends, that's all for today's video. Check me out on my other channels, Hotmess Momma Vlogs, Hotmess in the House, Unconditional Hotmess Podcast, Instagram, and on TikTok at hotmessmomma4. And my battery is about to die, so I'm gonna go ahead and jump off. Until next time, friends, as always, kisses from Kentucky. Mwah! Bye. I don't know one single thing that I haven't done to make you notice me. Let me be real here. When I see you, my heart starts racing, but I don't know if I like this chasing and playing and waiting around.